What is going on, everybody? Noble here with you guys today. Today is Monday, and what we've been doing over the past several weeks is giving you ideas for what you can do to your channel in order to get it set up the right way, how to optimize it from the very beginning if you're a brand new creator or if you're just starting out your channel. However, YouTube just released a brand new feature. In today's video, we'll be going over everything you need to know about clips. Now, before we get started, if we could get this video up to like 10 likes, that would be very much appreciated. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump onto our YouTube channel. Alright, so like I said, YouTube just released clips to everyone. Your fans can use it, regular viewers can use it. If you're a creator, you can use it for yourself as well. Now, I'm going to go to my channel real quick, and there is a little part that I want to go ahead and clip out. So, in case you guys haven't seen this right here, this is 8 tips that you guys can use for a pro level about section. I think it's really helpful, might help you guys out. Go and check that video out. There'll be a link that pops up on the screen right now. But there's a very specific tip that I want to go ahead and highlight. All right, so we're going to do that real quick. I actually have chapters for you guys in most of my videos, and I think it's very important to know the difference between constantly and consistency. That's one of the things that I talk about in this video. So I want to go ahead and make that a clip, right? So we're going to start from here, and clips is just right here. So all you got to do is press clip. Now there is a very important part about this. Let me turn this up real quick so I can make sure I capture the right area. Alright, you guys, so I have highlighted the area that I want, and the cool thing about clips is that you can highlight from 5 seconds up to 60 seconds. Now, it does have to be one consistent thing. You cannot clip parts of a video together, so it does have to be from start to finish, either 5 to 60 seconds long. But I was actually able to capture mine here, and then once you've got that, you need to go ahead and add a title. Alright, so once you've got your title, I've got mine right here, consistency versus constantly. If you guys want to check that out, check out this video. Like I said, it's 8 tips to help you make a really good about section. But once you're done with that, you can go ahead and share the clip. Now, this is going to pop up a couple of places where you can share it. I don't think you can actually save it for yourself, which is really kind of sad. But I do think you can just make a... I guess you could email it to yourself or just copy it. That would totally work. But for right now, we're going to go ahead and share it to Twitter. 8 tips for a pro level YouTube about section, YouTube description. And once again, this is just a clip. So we're going to go ahead and tweet this. And of course, if you want to add some more to that, you can definitely do that. But whenever people come to click on this, it's going to loop that one section that you highlighted. So I think that's really cool. It'll take people directly to that part in the video, and it'll continue to loop that as long as people want to keep watching it. Now, if they enjoy the clip, they can click right here and watch the entire video. I just think it's a really cool thing. If your fans like what you're doing, if you're doing live streams, if you're playing games, if you have epic moments, people can now clip your videos on YouTube and share that time that you pulled off a really awesome kill or whatever the case is. Or in my case, for this tutorial, I clipped out a specific part that I think is really important in the video. That way people can just check out that one specific part. So I think that's a really cool thing. Now, maybe you don't want to have your clips out and about. Maybe you don't want to let people do that. You can actually turn on and off clips if you want. So let's go ahead and check that out. In order to get there, you need to go to your channel icon on the top right, and then we're going to go to YouTube Studio. Now, from YouTube Studio, you're going to scroll down to your settings, and then from settings, you're going to go to channel, and then advanced settings. Now, on advanced settings, you can scroll down, and it's a very simple thing. All you got to do is click whether you want to allow it or not allow it. If you have a check mark, it allows viewers to clip my content. If you deselect this option, the viewers will not be able to clip your content, and existing clips of your content will be disabled. Selecting this option again will re-enable existing clips of your content, and once again allow your viewers to clip your content whenever you put brand new content out. So I just wanted to go ahead and share this. This is a brand new feature. YouTube has never had the clipping ability before. I thought it was a really good time to just try to share it with you guys, because it is a brand new feature. You guys should know about it. You should be able to use it. You can use it, once again, if you're a fan of someone and you want to help share their videos, you want to help share their highlights, you can definitely go ahead and do that. But you can also use it to clip little parts out of your own videos and share that as well. That way people get an idea of what it is that your video is about. I think it's a really cool thing, and if you like it, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to this channel for more weekly tips every Monday. And I guess that's it. I will see you next week.